The cryptocurrency sector is booming once more, with speculation and enthusiasm rife on social media, online forums, and trading floors. Thanks to a covert airdrop that is creating waves and has the potential to produce a whole new generation of cryptocurrency millionaires virtually overnight, XRP is shining brightly this time around, rather than Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, this is the Flare Network's revolution, not simply another rumor or short-lived excitement. The innovative Flare project seeks to unleash the full potential of the XRP ledger, introducing the capabilities of smart contracts and creating a whole new range of decentralized opportunities. Holders of XRP have long hoped that their preferred coin will one day have the same potent usefulness as Ethereum. Things that have the potential to revolutionize how we engage with digital assets include decentralized apps, DeFi platforms, and smart contracts. That ideal is now on the verge of becoming a reality because two Flare networks. To close the gap and introduce these cutting-edge capabilities to the XRP ecosystem, the team is putting forth endless effort. The important thing is that you can lose out on one of the largest free wealth distributions in cryptocurrency history if you're holding your XRP in the incorrect place. Because this opportunity may not present itself again, be sure you are ready. What is this airdrop precisely, and why is the cryptocurrency community so excited about it? A cutting-edge new blockchain technology called Flare Networks was created to enable smart contract capabilities in digital assets that do not currently support it. It is based on a novel technology that combines the flexibility and programmability of the Ethereum virtual machine with the strong security of the XRP ledger. Just like XRP, one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies in the world, permitting a large variety of decentralized applications. The network presents its own native asset, the FLR or Spark token, which acts as a governance mechanism and collateral for decentralized applications, allowing holders to influence the course of the Flare ecosystem. Just by keeping XRP in a compatible self-custody wallet at the time of the official snapshot, all eligible XRP holders will receive free Spark tokens, facilitating accessibility and ease of engagement. The concept is straightforward. Holding XRP will instantly turn your static investment into a yield-generating asset powered by smart contracts that offers new growth and participation opportunities by giving you a similar amount of FLR. This is when the exciting part begins, and possibly transformative. For XRP, analysts are referring to this airdrop as the Ethereum moment. Consider the fate of early Ethereum users who took part in the first smart contract introductions. Their returns were expressed in multiples rather than percentages. Flare would allow XRP to finally access the multi-trillion-dollar world of on-chain lending, tokenized assets, and decentralized finance. Because every Spark token you receive is free, your effective return may easily surpass the current value of your whole XRP portfolio. The combination of Flare's functionality and XRP's speed might make this the most explosive partnership in cryptocurrency. However, how does this relate to the staggering $5,000 forecast? What are the causes of this positive attitude? Let's dissect the reasoning and discover the meaning behind these figures. Over the next 10 years, the entire addressable market for tokenized assets and smart contracts is predicted to grow to over $20 trillion. This enormous market potential is a major motivator. Flare might see significant growth if it can take even a small portion of that market. Additionally, XRP remains the foundation of liquidity for international transactions. With the combined valuation, XRP's price may reach unprecedented heights and enable smooth transactions on a worldwide scale. It's important to keep in mind that this isn't merely hype or speculation. These estimates are supported by institutional interests and real-world implementations in store fencing. Institutions are already looking into how to use smart contract protocols to bridge the liquidity gap in XRP. There might be a big impact if those ideas come to pass. Increased adoption and usage will cause the demand for FLR and XRP to soar at the same time. In essence, the airdrop serves as a catalyst for that process, laying the groundwork for future expansion, rewarding early adopters before the mainstream floodgates open, and possibly yielding large returns. What must you do then? First, confirm that the self-custody wallet in which you store your XRP supports the Flare snapshot. Since exchanges frequently distribute airdrops in an inefficient and dishonest manner, you should not entrust your eligibility to centralized platforms. Wallets that allow you to keep your private keys directly, such as Ledger, XUMM, or Trust Wallet, are popular choices. Yes, timing is crucial because the snapshot date will decide who is eligible. When that time comes, you can lose your chance forever if your XRP isn't in the appropriate wallet. Following the snapshot, when Flare formally starts, Spark tokens will be instantly transferred to your linked wallet. This has enormous upside potential. In essence, you're gaining access to a second coin that might perform better than XRP. According to certain insiders, the value of the token may increase dramatically once Flare completely integrates with major exchanges, DeFi platforms, and institutional-grade liquidity providers. The free tokens you get in that scenario can be worth more than the initial XRP investment you made. For this reason, some people are referring to this as the Free Millionaire Maker event, a once-in-a-lifetime chance to increase your assets without investing any money. Let's now discuss why this moment is significant in ways that go beyond the numbers. The next stage of the XRP ecosystem Flare is where scalability, interoperability, and practical utility all come together. Because of its few use outside of payment rails, XRP has been referred to as a banker's coin for years. However, Flare turns XRP into programmable currency. Developers will be able to create decentralized apps that directly take use of XRP liquidity. Everything from synthetic assets to NFT marketplaces to lending methods. This redefines what XRP can achieve in the larger blockchain economy and opens the door for innovation. And the smart money is secretly preparing for what might be the most profitable airdrop in history, while everyone else is preoccupied with Bitcoin ETFs and meme coins. Avoid the mistaken belief that this is just another clue. It's a strategic decision to reward devoted holders and grow the XRP ecosystem before the major players intervene. Keep in mind that early adoption always yields the highest returns, and those that get ready before the news makes headlines are the ones who experience transformative outcomes. The conclusion is straightforward. If you support XRP's long-term goals and wish to participate in the upcoming financial revolution, take immediate action. Secure your wallet, remove your XRP from exchanges, and be ready for the snapshot. You will not only own XRP when Flare launches, you will also be a part of a brand new dual-asset ecosystem designed for the financial industry of the future. This is a wake-up call, not financial advice. Even while the $5,000 XRP scenario seems crazy now, every significant cryptocurrency revolution began with a tiny number of believers who saw what others missed. This is your opportunity to set yourself up before the world notices, while others wait, prepare, and others question. XRP's path into financial history could be ignited by the Flare airdrop, which is more than simply another event. And if you're holding your XRP correctly, you may be able to look back and see that this was the turning point in your life. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that I do not hold a financial advisor license. These videos only contain content that is meant to be entertaining. Before making any financial decisions, I always advise viewers to do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks for listening. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. To be the first to know, be sure to enable the notifications as well.